This 2022 Winnebago Adventurer 29B is a Class A RV. It is located in Forest City, Iowa 50,436 and is offered for sale by Lichtsinn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features a cool contrast canvas linen with glazed driftwood interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 84 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2022 Winnebago Adventurer 29B is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.